Welcome to a world where savvy investors turn market trends into personal gain. Imagine for a moment you're a bull trader with an ambitious goal, making $5,000. First, understand that bull trading is not a game of chance. It's a strategic dance, a calculated risk, where knowledge is your most potent weapon. To navigate the financial terrain, arm yourself with research. Understand the market, the stocks you're interested in, and the economic indicators that influence their movement. Next, practice patience. Just like Rome, a successful bull trade isn't built in a day. It's a constant process of buying low, selling high, and knowing when to hold your cards. Lastly, remember to keep your emotions in check. Bull trading is a roller coaster ride, but don't let fear or greed dictate your decisions. So, step into the arena. With the right tools, tactics, and tenacity, bull trading could just be your ticket to that $5,000 goal. Remember, in the world of bull trading, fortune favors the bold. So equip yourself with knowledge, arm yourself with patience, and charge ahead.